Here's how to know if someone has read your message on Instagram. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your direct messages section. So when you send a message to someone, you will usually see a seen level once they read it. So if the message is read like this way, but you don't see the seen tab, so it means one settings is turned off. So now to check that, you must have to go to your profile, then tap the hamburger menu and open messages and story replies option. Now from here, you will find this option show read recipients and make sure this option is turned on. If it's turned off, you won't be able to see when others read your messages. So after turning it on, go back to your direct message section. Now send a message again, and if the other person has read it and their settings allow it, you will see the seen level under the message. So however, if you still don't see seen, that means the other person has read recipients turned off on their side. In that case, there's nothing you can do. You won't be able to see when they read your message unless they turn it on their side. And that's how it works. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.